Hello business enthusiasts. Welcome to today's topic: embracing change, the art of accepting credit cards in today's business landscape. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The power of payment processing for high-risk industries. In the dynamic business world, embracing change is essential. High-risk industries like online gaming, travel, and adult entertainment have faced challenges in payment processing. But guess what? Dedicated payment processing providers are now tailoring solutions to their unique needs. This not only mitigates risks but also enhances the customer experience. Unlocking e-commerce potential through credit card acceptance. The e-commerce revolution has reshaped how we shop. To tap into this global market, accepting credit cards is a must. With an e-commerce payment gateway, businesses can ensure seamless and secure transactions, inspiring confidence in customers and driving growth. Credit repair, rebuilding trust, one card at a time. When it comes to credit repair services, credit card acceptance holds incredible significance. It builds credibility and offers clients a convenient payment option. With a dedicated credit repair merchant account, clients can embark on their journey to financial recovery with ease. Navigating the complexities of CBD credit card processing. The CBD industry is booming, but its high-risk nature poses payment challenges. Embracing change means finding solutions tailored to this sector. Accepting credit cards opens doors for customers seeking CBD products. Specialized CBD merchant accounts and payment gateways ensure secure and seamless transactions. The backbone of business, credit card payment gateways. Now, let's talk about the heart of credit card acceptance, payment gateways. These technological marvels ensure secure transactions by encrypting sensitive data. They bridge the gap between customers' credit cards and merchants' accounts, preventing fraud and breaches. And there you have it, fellow learners. Remember, innovation and adaptation are key to staying ahead in today's business landscape. Thanks for joining us today, and until next